Hello, teammates. It's Mr. Nanini coming to you from the Physics Bunker. This is our week ahead, and a couple things before we go. Quick, current book, Grapes of Wrath. It's on my list of books to read. I've never read this. I really like it. I like Steinbeck. I've never read this book. I like it. And a joke. I miss sharing my sense of humor with you. So, a bear walks into the custard shack there on Warren Road, and the bear looks at the menu and says, "I'd like a large vanilla ice cream cone." And then he says, "I'd like a large chocolate ice cream cone too." And the person behind the counter says, "Why the big pause?" And the bear says, "I don't know. I think I was born with them." It's good? I thought it's hilarious. Let's go. We're continuing our walk on rocket and space and rocket science. Probably gonna be more space than rocket. We'll see. Poco Fiesta. Easy money. You're going to work some Kepler's third law. I've got to get those back to you. You did that for me on Friday. I got to get through those tonight and get them back to you. We're going to continue rocket and space science reassessment on uniform circular motion, universal gravitation will be on the 5th of May. Another Poco Fiesta on the 7th. And then senior is your last day. You're done with me. I shall miss you. We'll always remember. I'm always going to be your physics teacher, life coach, spiritual advisor. This is not goodbye, but it's the last time you're required to be in my class. You're welcome to attend the rest of the sessions as you like, but you don't have to. We're gonna keep going rocket space science. AP testing weeks. I'm going to continue a little bit. I know many of us got AP exams. I'm going to continue to press on because it doesn't make any sense for everyone else to just kind of sit around. And so we're going to press easy money. Easy money. Let's look at the week. Our plan of attack. I've started to build our standards for the space unit, Kepler's laws, and then we're going to look at the development of cosmology. Cosmology is just a fancy way of studying how the universe is put together. So astronomy is really just kind of focused. It's kind of a focused branch of cosmology. So it may be a new term. So we're going to continue Kepler's laws. Ed posts a video tomorrow. You're going to submit another Kepler's third law problem. Then we're going to talk about the development of cosmology. Ed puzzle. We're going to go back and walk forward from, so before Kepler was Tycho Brahe, and then we're going to walk forward to Galileo on how humans started to understand how the universe is put together. Wednesday, I'm dedicating to the Galileo controversy. Very misunderstood in terms, everyone says, oh, Galileo. Interesting cat. Galileo's biggest issue was hubris. And we're going to talk Galileo controversy. Then we're going to talk, Thursday, we're going to talk how the ancient Egyptians figured out the size of the earth. They knew the earth was round. This is another thing. People will say Columbus discovered the world was round. Everybody knew that the world was round. In fact, there's probably more people today that think the world is flat than thought back in Columbus Day that the world was flat. Isn't that weird? Flat earthers. Oh, I'm wearing my not flat sweatshirt. Then we're going to look to Cavendish. So Cavendish actually measured big G. If you flash back to our universal gravitation, Newton kind of had a fudge factor in there to make it work. Cavendish actually measured the value of that. We're good. Poco Fiesta, I mentioned on the calendar, easy money. You're going to work you're going to work a little Kepler's third law for me. I may add supplemental physics bunker videos, depending on how we're feeling up here. Is good? Where can you find all this? You can find all this in the learning management section of your Schoology. The calendar is right there. The weekly plan of attack is right there. And if I could ask you this too, and this is, I'm kind of shifting my office hours to AP prep. But if you need time with me, send me an email, and we'll link up. Same time, 3 to 4. But by all means, if you feel you need to discuss something with me, get some extra practice, send me an email, and I'll make sure I got time carved out for you, okay? I hope that's okay. All right, teammates, you have a great week. Keep those cards and letters coming. I'm very proud of you. We're making it happen. Talk to you soon.